Imagine impressing your guests with a stunning charcuterie board that not only looks incredible, but is also super easy to set up. I'm Rose Oatley, and ZMarKraft has sent me this beautiful charcuterie board to try. It's crafted with premium bamboo and packed with unique features that will make your gatherings unforgettable. Today we'll be making the perfect spread that everyone will love. This board comes in a classic beige and in a dark brown. You can find a link in the description section below. One of the standout features of this board is its double layer structure. It has magnets that allow you to rotate the top boards effortlessly. And check this out, the bottom board has hidden storage for cheese knives. It comes with 3 stainless steel knives and a fork, so you'll have everything you need at your fingertips. It also comes with 2 cups, and the layers are removable for easy cleaning. Setting up your charcuterie board is super simple. You can mix and match meats, cheeses, fruits, nuts. It's all about creating a beautiful spread that looks as good as it tastes. I've gathered a few items we'll be using. Now let's get started. Starting with some creamy Brie cheese. First, we'll cut it in half. Now take the upper half and use a cookie cutter to create a lovely design. Today I'm using a snowflake, but feel free to choose one that matches your theme. We'll save the other snowflake for later. For the bottom half, I'm spreading a layer of cranberry sauce. You can also use your favorite jam here for a sweet touch. Place the top half back on. Next, we're going to fill in our snowflake design with more cranberry sauce to make it pop. Moving on to our meats, I love using this trio pack of salami. Today I'm using the peppered variety to create a beautiful roast. Grab a small glass to help shape it. Start by folding 1 slice of salami over the edge of the glass, then add another slice across from it. Continue adding more slices in between until you've built a nice layer. The more layers, the fuller your roast will be. Once you're done with all your layers, gently turn the glass upside down and remove your roast. I've already made another one, so let's place this other one right here. Next, we'll take some prosciutto and fold it like a ribbon. Then fold it in half. I'm going to add a row of this along the shape of this side of the board. Now let's grab some salami again. We'll fold it in half and then in half again, placing these around our Brie for a nice visual balance. Time to add some color. I'm adding some cube cheese to place on both sides of the board. We'll also fill in with grapes, blueberries, and raspberries for a fresh touch. This board is spacious enough to cater for 2 to 8 people, making it ideal for parties, family gatherings, or even a cozy night in. Let's sprinkle in some almonds for a nice crunch. I'll add a bit more salami on this side, folding it in half and half again to keep that balance. In the smaller spaces, I'm tucking in some dried cranberries and a few strawberries for sweetness. To fill in around the snowflake, I'm adding some more almonds. And because I can't resist chocolate, I'll place about 3 pieces right here. Now, to my other snowflake, I'm adding a bit of this delicious mango peach jam. It's such a treat. Also, if you'd like, you can accent your board with a little fresh rosemary for an aromatic touch. Finally, let's finish off by placing some mini pickles in this small cup, and we'll do some green olives in the other. Whether you're hosting a birthday party, a housewarming, or just having friends over, this ZMarKraft Charcuterie Board is perfect for any occasion. So there you have it, folks. The ZMarKraft Charcuterie Board is not only stylish and functional, but also a great conversation starter. Don't forget to check out the link below to get yours today. Thanks for watching and happy entertaining. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!